This installation was unique in that there were already Tesla coils here. So back in 2012, we had installed some spark gap Tesla coils in this arena. And those were wonderful for them. You know, it really got the Tesla effect where they needed it, when they needed it. But that was older technology, and that was something that we phased out very shortly after that installation, actually. So fast forward 8 years, it's time to upgrade. They wanted the flexibility that the solid-state equipment provides. They also wanted the lower maintenance and the lower power consumption and the bigger arcs. You know, the solid-state equipment, it's powerful. We can do a lot with it. So in this case, we installed 2 of our Model 9 MTCs. So we can make arcs in excess of 30 feet. In this case, we typically operate around 20 feet, and that's 2 chains that are grounded back to the Tesla coil. So we have nice bright white plasma channels. The coils have practically unlimited runtime, especially in this application. So whereas with the spark gap coils, they were limited to say 10 or 20 second bursts at most to keep the RSG from overheating, here they could just press a button and let it run. Now, you don't always need to do that with Tesla coils, but it's nice to know that you have the ability. They're also so much more efficient and easier to handle. They're lighter, the rigging is simpler, they're easier to manage. Everything about them just turned out to be a much better fit for what they did. They also had the space to go with the power. You know, we realize not everybody has the space to make 20-foot arcs, but when you do, it's a hell of an effect. So if you can go with it, you should. Not many people do it. And that's what makes this the largest installation in the world. So in the case of the Amalie arena, the pre-existing equipment was running off of 240 volts, but they had a 480 volt feeder. This works really well for us because we can design our solid-state equipment to run off of 480 single-phase or 3-phase, pretty much any input voltage. So we were able to eliminate a 1,000-pound transformer from their catwalk. Everybody's happy to see that thing gone. Nobody had to trip over it, you don't have to walk past it. It's great. So we were able to take those off the catwalk in 2 different positions. We were also able to install this equipment on all of the rigging that was pre-existing because it weighs about a quarter what the original equipment did. So no-brainer, we leave the chain hoists in place, we rig everything up with what's here. We had both coils, the original ones, removed, and the new equipment installed in 5 days. It was completely operational, ready for their first game, and it turned out to be a spectacular effect for them. So one of the nice things we offer is a scalable system based off of standard inventory. So we keep inventory of Tesla coils. We can design and build anything, but we keep a standard inventory, and we'll usually be able to adapt that inventory to fit whatever your needs are. Then we install that inventory and we can service that inventory for however long is necessary. We can upgrade that inventory. We can make that inventory integrate with newer systems or older systems. So if our equipment's been in your house for 5 years and you upgrade your audio system, that's great. We can make that fit. We can tie in additional MIDI or DMX controls. We can add wireless controls and any type of safety you can imagine, whether that's integrating with fire suppression, existing e-stop systems, or you just have something that's unusual and you're not sure it can work, we can make it work.